Home students, we have completed our first chapter, number and numeration, and I am very happy that most of you have done first chapter. Today we will start a new chapter, Roman numerals, and this chapter you have already studied in fourth class. All the rules and how we can write any number in Roman form you have already studied in the class 4th. So just to remind, I am going to explain this exercise. Okay, so let's see. In Hindu Arabic numeral there are total 9 digits. There are total 10 digits from 0 to 9. You all know very well. In Roman numeral there are 7 symbol: I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, so value of I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. Okay, these 7 symbols have these values: 1, 5, 10, 50, 10, 500, 500 and 1000. Okay, so some rules are here. It is not possible to write all the rules because they are so long, so I just tell you, those who are having books, they can read from the book. Otherwise just listen carefully. Okay, because in class 4th I have told all the rules in detail. Those who are not having maths book for class 5, they can read from your class book, class work copy in class 4th, or you can also use your class 4th maths book. Okay, all the rules are given there also. Okay, so rule number 1 is we can repeat only these 4 symbol: I, X, C and M. Only 4 symbols we can repeat, not all. V, L and D we can not repeat. Suppose we have to write 2, so we can repeat I 2 times. We have to write 3, we can repeat I 3 times. But okay, but if we have to write 10, we cannot repeat V 2 times. Suppose we have to write 100, we cannot repeat L 2 times because L is 50, so 50, 50, 100. In this way we cannot repeat. This is wrong. We can repeat only I, X, C and M. Okay. Now the second rule is, how many times we can repeat? We can repeat any symbol maximum 3 times. Suppose we have to write 3, we repeat I 3 times. We have to write 30, we can repeat X because the value of X is 10. So we can write X 3 times, X, X, X. So it will become 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. It will become 30. Okay. But if we have to write 4, it doesn't mean that we can write I 4 times. This is wrong. Okay. To write 4 there is another rule, but we cannot write 4 in like this because no symbol can repeat more than 4 times. Similarly, if we have to write 40, then we cannot write X 4 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. This is wrong way because no symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Now another rule is, if there are two different symbol, if we write two different symbol together, then how we can draw its meaning? For example, I and V, then V and I. Okay, listen carefully. If we write a smaller symbol before then a larger symbol, I is 1 and V is 5, I is smaller, V is greater. If we write a smaller symbol first and larger symbol after the smaller number, then the rule of subtraction will take place. Means greater is 5, smaller is 1, and rule of subtraction will take place, it will becomes 4. Okay. On the opposite way, if we write larger symbol first and then smaller symbol, listen carefully student, larger first and smaller after the larger, then rule of addition takes place. Means 5 plus 1, it will become 6. Similarly, ix, smaller is written first, then larger, then subtraction rule, 10, x meaning of x 10, and meaning of I is 1, 10 minus 1 9. And if we write xi, then 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So in this way we can use rule of addition and subtraction. Similarly, if we have to write 40, so how we can write 40? 40 is 50 minus 10. Okay, so what is the value of 50 is L, so we can write L. Since 10 is subtracted from 50, means rule of subtraction is taking place, so we can write x before L, because if smaller is written before larger, then rule of subtraction takes place. 50 minus 10 means L minus x, it will be 40. But if we write 60, it will be Lx, because L means 50 and x means 10, and smaller symbol is written after the larger, so rule of addition will take place. Okay, if we have to write 90, 100 minus 10, minus means smaller symbol should be written first, 10, then larger 10. What is the value of 10? C. Okay, now take some example of larger numbers. Suppose we have to write down 489. How we can write? We can break the number 400 plus 80 plus 9. Okay, how we can write 400? 400. Now break 400. 500 minus 100. Okay, first write this 500, the symbol of 500 is D, and there is subtraction, so we have to write smaller symbols 100 first, then larger number CD. The meaning of C is 100 and the meaning of D is 500, and a smaller symbol is written first, so subtraction will take place. CD becomes 400. Then 80 we can write L C C C. L is 50, C is 10, sorry, C, not C, L X X X, 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 80. Then for 9 we can write IX. Okay, in this way we can write Roman numeral for any given number. Suppose we have to write 900. How we can write? Suppose we have to write 900. How can we write? 1000 minus 100, and symbol of 1000 is M, and there is a subtraction, so we can write, 1000 minus 100, we can write CM. C is 100, M is 1000. Okay, so I hope you can all solve the next exercise which I am going to give you. I hope you enjoyed the topic. So all the best. Thank you.